Welcome back, coin lovers and smart collectors. If you're new here, this channel breaks down real coin values, hidden details, and market myths, so you never fall for fake prices or clickbait hype. Today's coin looks ordinary, but its story has created one of the biggest rumors in modern coin collecting. Let's start with the basics. This is the 5 euro cent coin from Germany, issued in 2016. It's made of copper-plated steel, weighs just under 4 grams, and is part of the standard euro circulation. On one side, you'll see the European map, and on the other, the classic oak leaf design, a strong symbol of Germany. Now here's something very important. In 2016, Germany produced this coin in huge numbers. Coins were struck at 5 different mints, marked by letters A, D, F, G, and altogether, hundreds of millions of these coins entered circulation. And when a coin is made in such high quantity, rarity becomes very unlikely. So where does the $10 million value come from? This is where confusion begins. Across social media and video platforms, some people claim this coin is worth millions. But here's the truth. No official auction, no certified grading company, and no trusted coin catalog has ever confirmed a 2016 German 5-cent coin selling for anything close to $10 million. Most of these viral claims come from misunderstood error coins or pure clickbait. Yes, some coins with extreme minting errors can be valuable, but even the rarest euro cent errors sell for hundreds or thousands, not millions. A $10 million coin would be world famous, and this one simply is not. Let's talk about the real market value. A normal 2016 Germany 5 euro cent coin is usually worth face value, or up to $1 or $2 if it's in perfect, uncirculated condition. That's it. No secret fortune hiding in your wallet. Now here's an important collector lesson. A coin only becomes extremely valuable when 3 things align: extreme rarity, verified historical importance, and professional certification. Without these, price claims mean nothing. If you own this coin, don't throw it away. It's still a beautiful part of European currency history. Check it carefully for errors. If something looks truly unusual, consult a professional grading service. But never believe prices you see without proof. So let's end the mystery right here. The 2016 Germany 5 euro cent coin is not a $10 million coin. It is a common circulation coin, valuable for knowledge, not wealth. And remembering that fact makes you a smarter collector. Collectors have been sharing videos and posts claiming this common coin could be worth millions. But is that true? Today we're breaking it all down. The real value, the history, the mintage, and the rare possibilities that could make even a small cent coin exciting. Total 246 million coins minted across Germany in 2016. That's a lot of coins, meaning plentiful supply, and normally coins this common peak at their face value or a few cents above when sold individually. If you search online marketplaces like eBay or collector sites, the typical price for a 2016 Germany 5 cent is real observed market value. Circulated, $0.05, $0.50. UNC/better condition, up to $1.50 or a couple dollars max, depending on collector interest. So again, common circulation examples are basically worth their nominal value or just a bit more in uncirculated quality. Nothing near the $10 million rumor. Here's the interesting part. Why do people even mention $10 million? Well, possible origins of the rumor. Confusion with error coins. Mistakes in minting that can be valuable. Misinterpreted info from other coins, like rare Vatican Eurocents or special mint sets. Clickbait-style videos and social media posts hyping low-value coins as secret treasure. But for this 2016 German 5 cent, there's no official listing of it being worth millions in any catalog or price guide. Serious coin collectors look for these kinds of value factors. Factors that could raise a coin's value. Low mintage varieties, not the case here. Proof coins with limited numbers. Mint errors, doubled dies, off-center strikes, lamination errors. Historical significance. The typical 2016 coins, including those from Berlin, A, Munich, D, Stuttgart, F, Karlsruhe, G, and Hamburg, J, all had high mintages in the tens of millions. Now, hypothetically, if a 2016 5-cent coin had a major error, say huge die clash, off metal, or a missing detail, it could be worth hundreds or maybe even thousands of dollars to the right buyer. Important, there is no verified record of a genuine 2016 5-cent error selling for millions. Expert grading by PieceGS/NGC would be required. Let's be honest, this coin is a wonderful, everyday piece of a Euro system, but it's not a secret multi-million-dollar treasure. Unless, and this is a big unless, it turns out to be a genuine graded error that's authenticated by major grading houses. Realistic expectations. Most sell under $2. Rare errors could fetch hundreds or low thousands. No known $10 million example exists. If you do have one, check mint mark first. A, D, F, G. Look for errors. Consider getting it graded if unusual. Compare with official auction sales, not random social media claims. Always avoid clickbait and know the difference between speculation and verified auction results. Thanks for watching Coin Market Insider. If you found this valuable, hit subscribe and comment below if you want more coin value breakdowns. See you next time. If you'd like, I can also provide titles, tags, and YouTube timestamps ready for upload. Just let me know.